In this video, I'm going to show you how to install some WordPress plugins to your website. And the way that you do that is you want to go over to plugins, and then up at the top here, you want to click on Add New. And there are several ways. If you've already downloaded a plugin, you could go ahead and just upload a plugin. But what I find is easiest to do is just go ahead and search for the plugin right inside of WordPress. And what I like to do also is go to the popular plugins and see what's popular, see what I want to add to my WordPress site. And right off the bat, I know that I want my WordPress site to be able to be found in the search engines. So the first plugin that I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and install WordPress SEO by Yoast. And it couldn't be any easier. All you have to do is click on the Install Now button. It's going to ask you, are you sure you want to install this plugin? And I'm going to go yes. Okay, and what it does is it downloads everything for you, it unpacks it, and it installs the plugin for you. And you can see it's successfully installed the plugin, and then it asks you, do you want to activate the plugin? And I am going to activate this right now, and it takes just a second or two, and the plugin has now been activated. And you can see a little box up here. Do we want to allow tracking? Don't we want to allow tracking? For right now, I'm going to say sure, I'll allow tracking. I don't mind. They're letting me use their product. I don't mind if they track the results. I really don't. Now, you can also, if you've already downloaded a plugin, what you can do is you can also go on the Add New, okay? And then right here, you can go ahead and click on Upload. And then from here, what you would do is you'll just go ahead and choose the file on your computer. Like if you went to the WordPress site, you can go to WordPress, okay, and you can download any of these plugins. Like I know that I want to use WP Super Cache. So what I can do is I can go ahead and download this right to my computer, okay? I'm going to just go ahead and download it. Take just a second. You can see it's downloaded. You can see it right down here in the bottom of my screen. It's downloaded. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and upload it. Okay, I'm going to upload it to my WordPress site. So all you need to do is go ahead, click on the Choose File, and then go ahead, locate the file on your computer. And I'll go ahead and do that. Okay, you can see I've chosen the file on my computer, and then I just click on the Install Now button, and it'll take just a second. And you can see it's been installed, and now once again I just click on the Activate plugin. And that's really as simple as it is to install a plugin. It's very simple and easy to use. You can see it's disabled right now, and what we need to do is we need to go to the plugin admin page to go ahead and enable the caching. And you can see that we can just click on that link right there. Okay, very simple, easy to do. You just follow the directions. Okay, and you can see I'm getting a warning right up here. And what we can do, I'll just go ahead and close that for right now. Go ahead, update status. There you go. And you can see we've turned this one on. And then over here, a lot of times what happens is, depending on the type of plugin, like as you can see, this particular plugin, this WP Super Cache, it goes under the settings. Okay, that's where this one is. So if we click on that, if we click on the WP Super Cache, this is where the settings are for this particular plugin. But you can see this SEO by Yoast, they have their own link right in the dashboard. It's not under the settings. So I wanted to show you these two in particular because they show up differently. Sometimes a plugin is going to have settings right here, right on the dashboard. Sometimes it could be under the settings tab. And sometimes plugins aren't really going to have anything. It really depends on the different plugin. So Adding plugins, it's really easy to do. I showed you 2 different ways to do it. Once you've done that, there's really no reason that you can't go ahead and install your own plugins.